How to lock Facebook profile officially? First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Now, look at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines. This will bring up a menu where you'll scroll down to find and select Settings and Privacy. Under this menu, tap on Settings. This will take you to a more comprehensive settings menu where you can adjust various aspects of your account. In this, look for a section titled Audience and Visibility. Here, you'll find Followers and Public Content. Open that and ensure that all default audience settings are adjusted from public to friends to enhance your profile's privacy. Go back to the Audience and Visibility section and select Profile and Tagging. Here, review all the settings related to who can post on your profile, who can see what others posts on your profile, and who can see posts you're tagged in. Make sure these settings are set to Friends or Only Me, to keep your profile content confined to a more controlled group. Return to your Facebook homepage and tap on your profile icon. Here's an important tip. If Professional mode is activated, it could prevent you from locking your profile. Make sure to turn off Professional mode if it's on. Now go back to your profile. Tap on the three dots next to Edit Profile. Now you should see an option that says Lock Profile. Tap on it, and then you'll see the Lock Your Profile option. Tap on it to confirm. And that's it. Your Facebook profile is now locked.